Hi friends, today we're going to see numbers in Python. In numbers, we have integer as well as float. So integer, you all know, it is a whole number, like it includes positive number, negative number along with 0. And in float, it is nothing but number with decimal part. So numbers are quite useful in every programming languages. When it comes to real-time applications or gaming, numbers are very much useful. With only numbers, we can perform arithmetic operations, and arithmetic operations are quite similar. What you have to note here is we have exponent operator. So it is nothing but 8 exponent operator 2. It means 8 power 2. Okay, so 8 into 8, that is the thing here, exponent operator. So we have to use two multiplication symbols here. And once when it comes to division, you have to note another point is even if both the numbers are integers, we are going to get output in float. And if you are going to mix both integer and float, then also output we are going to receive is float. So very important point that you have to note here is Python defaults to a float in any operation that uses it. Okay. Even if the output is going to be whole number, but we are going to receive it in a float. So that is a very important point to be noted here. So that's it, friends. So join me in this journey of learning. Let's learn together. Bye-bye. Take care.